Hello students, our today's question is a radioactive element X emits 2 alpha and 1 gamma particles to yield element Y of mass number 82. X also emits 1 alpha and 1 beta particles to yield element Z with an atomic number 44. So this is our reaction and the elements X, Y, Z in these reactions are respectively. So this is our given options. Here for our information, the possible emission for alpha particles, it is 2 for alpha or 2 for helium or 2 for helium plus 2. For beta particle, it is -1 0 beta. For gamma rays, it is 0 0 gamma. For positron, antiparticle electron, it is +1 0 beta or +1 electron 0. For neutron, it is 0 and 1. In our reaction, suppose we consider the atomic mass for Z is m plus 2 for helium plus -1 0 beta and X, and atomic number for X is P, atomic mass for X is 1, for Y atomic number is N plus helium 2 4 plus gamma 0 0. First, for atomic mass of X, here the atomic mass for X is A, so A is equal to 82 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 90. Second, for atomic mass of Z, A is equal to m plus 4 plus 0, here the value for A is equal to 90. So by putting this value 90 is equal to m plus 4 plus 0, so m is equal to 86. For atomic number of X, P is equal to 44 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 45. And now for atomic number of Y, N plus 4, 2 to the 4 plus 0 is equal to the value of P, and the value of P is 45. So the value of N is equal to 45 minus 4, so N is equal to 41. So our correct answer is B, X 45 90, Y 41 82 and Z 44 86.